In a world filled with incredible creatures, there are 6 unknown animals that surprise and intrigue any curious mind. The Ayaye, a nocturnal lemur from Madagascar, uses its unique finger to tap on tree trunks, searching for grubs hidden within. The narwhal, often referred to as the unicorn of the sea, possesses a long tusk that is actually an elongated tooth, making it a fascinating subject of study. The axolotl, a type of salamander found in Mexico, is capable of regenerating lost limbs and has a permanent juvenile appearance, making it a unique marvel of nature. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered and known for its unique mating call, making it one of the rarest birds on the planet.